Yes.
Oh, don't worry. You have the effrontery. You will have the effrontery. You have the effrontery. Okay, you have effrontery. You have to go.
You must give me the money.
You must
give me the money.
You must
give me the money. You say don't give me the money on somebody die here. Yes.
Yes.
You will die.
You will die.
I am not shouting at you. But I beg you in the name of God, leave me alone and never you utter such word to me.
You are even giving me orders. You are not giving me instructions, Mama. I see. I will leave you. But let me tell you something. You have stepped on the tail of a tiger. And you know what that means. We shall see. I will deal with you.
Uncle, you cannot do anything.
Give her that. Give him work. Anyway, I'm going to watch a look.
Big Olaba, get out of here. Shameless man. Good for nothing man. Go.
If you record.
Leave us alone. I'll give you a medicine.
I will not.
Oh yeah, come and hold me now. If you will not leave me. What is all this? Why can't he rest? Never you come to this house again, no.
Mana your phone.
Come, be correct.
This one your verse is like this. Did anyone hurt you or what? What happened?
Maybe how can you know? How can you know when you sing and go around the village like a masquerade? Uncle Kuru came to this house today. You should have seen the way he fought with me and Mama. Oh yeah, he nearly killed us.
Wait, you mean Uncle Okoro came here to fight the both of you?
Don't mind Chioma. It's okay.
Hi, Mama, wait. Hey, it's a taboo for a bamboo to draw tattoo inside the saloon. So what can we do, Mama? So you mean that this Uncle Okoro came here to fight you both? Eh? Hey!
He didn't fight us. We just exchanged words. So,
even at that, Mama. Even at that. Even. Why will he? In fact, Mama. So that man have the guts to come here. Let him thank his stars that I didn't meet him here. Mama, when I'm going to work out here, somebody will fall. In fact, I must burn down his house.
Emeka will go this weekend. Don't go and start quarrel with Okoro. We've dealt with it.
Joe, baby. Where have you been on this one? I've checked everywhere for you. Hey, maybe you're running away from me.
No, now. How can you say such a thing? You should know now.
Know what? At least you would have asked after me. At least for one day.
I'm sorry, you're right. I should have asked after you, but you know I don't care what people say about you. I'm following my heart.
About me? Could that be?
I want to tell you something.
I'm not yes.
Okay, Amy, please. I want you to find something to do together with your music to help yourself so that people will stop seeing you like a chaff in this place and as a smoker and a drunkard, please.
That one. Forget that. I don't care what people say about me. All I know is that I know what I'm meant for. And that, I must get.
Okay, well, Faju, let's hope so.
Don't worry. Juju. So, when will you come to my house? You know?
I can come now, I'm free.
Now? You're free? Really? That means start to go now. Let's start going.
I want you to do something first before I follow you.
Go on, start it.
You have to stop smoking first before I follow you. I want you to throw it away now.
Hey, Uju, you know this is the reason that makes me. Whenever I take this, my brain goes gaga. But all the same, so you mean if I drop this now, what will you do for me?
I'll follow you.
If I throw it out?
I'll follow you.
What has come over this boy? Why this life like this? How can he waste himself just like that? All these kids are busy helping their families, helping their mother, their sisters, and their brothers. So why is my own different? What have I done to deserve all this? Please, God, help me change this boy for good. Please, God.
What is happening? Gini na-eme eh? If anybody is using charm on my son, Emeka, let that person rethink. Because I've never done any bad to anybody's son. Kimogadizi niche. Irudo wadininka bikono. When will this end? Eh? When? Hey. Oh, niche juro chana chakwa na anyale oh.
Mama. Ha. Oh, Master, you're not hearing me again. What do you say, Mama? Please, I'm going out.
Oh, I'm not going Nabo. Bye-bye. But where are you going to?
To see a friend.
To see a friend? This early morning? Yo, that your friend must be jobless like you.
Ha!
Ah! Birds of a feather flocks together.
Whatever. I'm going to. Please try and cook something. So that if I come back, I'll put it too.
Hey! Whenever bulu. Oh! Wajokojo. Nyamuanego, nyamuronego.
I want to go. I don't have time for your troubles right now. Let me go, Biko.
You are not going anywhere today. If you leave this house today, that's not my boss who go, ma.
Hey! Please. I have meeting with the Council of Elders and I want to go and attend to that meeting. Allow me to go. I want to go.
You are not going anywhere.
Ugoma, thank God. Yeah, Amaka. Help me tell your mother that I want to go for a meeting. Papa,
you are not going anywhere. Huh? It's better you respect yourself and go inside.
Wait, Chel. Did you just say this or is somebody speaking inside you?
You be lying every time. You know that the elders have no meeting today. See, Papa, let me tell you. You are just provoking us in this house, so. Hey. All the time, meeting. You are not going anywhere today. It is either you go inside or I push you.
Yes. You do what? You push me? You will do no such thing. If you try it, you go see the focus in choke. But leave me alone, let me go. Yeah. Leave me alone. Oh, leave me.
Listen, I'm be the guy with the gun. On the wild like a film. Yeah, Raja Panda. Let me hear you say, I do. Come on, Raja Panda. Let me hear you say. Let me hear you say. Let me hear you say. Ha. Come on, right up on that, right up on that.
Right upon that. Yeah, voila. Didn't you see me? So greeting me, I'm going to.
Sorry, sir. No, sorry. Just as I was busy with my music.
With your music. Now, let me tell you. If you don't take your time, one day this your so-called music and this in essay will land you to a very big problem. Talk easy. Yeah, I go. What can I be you? Your mother, she home.
She should be now. But now, is anything the matter?
Ponda. Oh God. No, like I said earlier, I see you are the only one.
Yes.
I promise. My Holland is Malaysia, Bobby, you name it.
Ifenina, just for me.
Of course.
For me?
Yeah.
For what now? No, because thank you. It's too much now. Can you go tell me?
For you, nothing can be too much. I bought them for you.
No, I am not in position to receive gift from you. It's your wife now. What will people say if I collect them?
Kangwagi, no matter whatever you do, tongues must wag. Leave it, let them talk. Mercy from the depth of my heart, whoever said this very thing for you. Accept it, please.
Nah. You go deep here. There's no
need. If we got there, that is what you will use in sewing this thing.
Nah. When did you turn into a millionaire? To go into the market, buy clothes for me, and still put money. Think I'm well quiet. I want to move.
Oh, come on. You neglect. You are looking down on me. Eh? Are you trying to say that I cannot make this kind of money? Or even achieve? Let me tell you. This is just to show you that I can take good care of you. Better than my late brother. Money runs in our family. Yota. Makagini asna. Obone Frodimba. Inushego. Ego.
Oh, I really appreciate.
Because Namo, thank you, Mama. Oh, I should be thanking you for accepting this.
But the gift is too much. Why not collect the money as in part of this money and give to your wife?
Why are you saying this now? Open your mouth if you get me. Well, yeah, we make tissue. The truth will not give me ego. Well, ego libive. Let me be on my way.
Oh, so bad, Rodal.
I'm not good. You go.
Oh, I'm going to come and see.
All right, I'm going to follow.
Hey, forma.
What about the money I told you? I told you about this man since last 2 weeks. I told you I want to make my hair. Emmy, and you're not saying anything. Okay?
You know why I'm smiling while looking at you? Because your face just they do me one kind of thing. Eh? You know what? Don't worry. I don't have any money on me now. But I promise you, by next week.
Eh? Next what? Next week. Emmy Waka.
Hey.
Celia.
Eh?
Next week. I told you I want to make my hair. You are telling me next week. Okay, wait. Tell me the exact day next week.
Tina, have I ever promised you before?
And so I want it now. This one now because
just don't worry, okay? I must do it next week. Okay?
Emmy,
please.
Emmy, if you don't want to maintain this relationship, just tell me and I will leave. I didn't make me end in pianya. My phone. I didn't make me end in pianya. Now go to Seligas on my canton go your give my kiss. Emmy.
Don't worry, I'll give it to you, but let me ask you, when I come to my house, so you can give me that what? So, you know,
what? Oh yeah, go.
I just touched you like I want to go me, bam.
Oh go chachagi.
Chai, today is so special. So Ifeoma finally accepted my offer. This is good news. Very soon I'll be swimming in that ocean. If I grab that waist, I will scatter it. Ifeoma Boroma nke dị ya n'obi na-ebu amụma. Meanwhile, let me get to that bar and get myself.
Hey.
Tonto.
Bye. Madam up here. Emmy.
Who are you and who are you looking for?
Are you talking to me like this?
No, I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to the person behind you. Answer my question before
Achi, are we quarreling? Why are you talking like this?
Hey.
Okay, please. Is the maker at home?
Oh. Have you seen what I've been saying? Leave my brother alone. Leave him to help this family now.
Chi, please stop it. I don't like this thing. Why are you talking like this? Who is deceiving who?
Uju is deceiving Emeka. Emalia. Uju is deceiving Emeka. Did you see that native doctor you went to? Go back there and tell the native doctor that his works, his powers are not working. In Ania.
Mama, you came?
Yes, ma. Good evening, ma.
Chi?
Ma?
Is anything the matter? Why are you shouting at her?
Did I shout at you? No, we're just discussing as friends. I'm not advice here.
Nem. As you can see, Emeka is not around. Bring seat for her now.
Mama, don't worry. I'll be on my way home. My brother will be expecting me.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah. But we are expecting you, eh? Come back some other time. Oh?
Yes, my will.
You want to go?
Yes, okay. Bye-bye, ma.
My dear. Bye. Oh?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
So you want to tell me that she finally submitted?
What? Osubo. Hey!
I told you that if you do exactly what I told you, you will have everything. You know, women, they're always in love with clothes, together with money. Asukwana ego na-eji fele.
Macha.
Ona abekwa na azu oge. Ego so ke make mata that ego a na-eje late.
Hey, you dey late macha nwanne. I ma na ndị mais na ochie dike chụọ aja. Ọ dike wele anya ndị mmụọ nọ.
Nna gị mo gị.
I bịa bunye m uche. We zosia nwanya. I gave her the money. I told her to use part of the money to train her stupid useless son and use the remaining for her upkeep. What I can want to say that I want to eat too much.
I wish I were you. This is Campbell.
It's again, you wish you were who?
And the Campbell is again.
You wish you were there because they will not beg you. One name, what is in Nagabi, Bob also. I'll go when you face your dog and ask for a. So it's better you remain on Doka. Let me remain Okoro. I'm going to the truth. If anybody got there in between one and that two. Don't go there. You know, if you follow this step you want to go with, people will see or think that you kill your brother to have his wife. Let them talk. No matter whatever you do, tongues must work. It's true. Man, I will for be cautious. Hey, this is wisdom gene. I can see that. Wisdom gene. I can see that. I can see that.
Next time, you have wings now, you grow wings. Okay. The next time you will ever ask Uju to leave this house, I swear I will kill you alive.
No, so wait. You are shouting at me because of that stupid girl. I'm
talking. And you're still calling her stupid.
So
when the gods, Abi? You have the gods. Listen, let me tell you. It's a taboo for a babu to draw tattoo inside the saloon. You should have money give him now. You should have money give him. You cannot do anything. I'll make you. Okay?
Emeka! Chalupa. So you are still smoking and singing around the whole village?
No, I'm not smoking.
I
was just doing my usual rapping and singing.
Give me Vajinaka, give me that thing before I break your head. Give it to me. Give me Vajinaka.
Oh, wait now.
Give me an
you want to gauge? Gauge you. Ah, but make the money. The mama self. Well, I don't know you are smoking, but this one is almost finished. So, but I can still light another one for you, except you want to kiss this one.
Thunder fire your head there. Ketala chayanya. Don't you insult me. I want one. I'm
sorry. Oh yeah, sorry, yeah. Sorry.
Don't fire your kindness here. Come on, throw it away. Throw it away. See me this way. Don't forget, idiots.
Mama, leave me, leave me. Let me do my usual thing, though. Mama.
No. Yes, I sent for you. You see, I've been longing to see you ever since my daughter shouted at you. You've never thought of coming here again. I said maybe you've decided not to come and see me. Please. Oh?
No, Mama. It's not like that. Ever since then, I've been very busy. That is why I haven't come. I'm sorry, Mama.
Okay, if you say so. I'm okay. So how is your mother?
Everybody's doing fine. Mama, you're looking more beautiful these days.
Hey. Oh, it's God, my dear. It's God. Ujunwa, you see, I am so much bothered about my son. Yeah, you see, the kind of life he has chosen to live is what is bothering me. He doesn't think of laying hands on anything. He doesn't even think of his future. All he does is to sing and dance around the whole village like a mad person. Ufuanya, my only son. When I see Biko, I don't know.
I'm equally worried about him. I've spoken to him several times, but he has refused to listen to me. So, Mama, I decided to give up.
Hey, Mbano, give up. You will not do that now. Nem, you are doing it for me. Oh, please. You are the only friend he has. Go back to him and talk to him. Be his best friend. Oh, maybe he will listen to you and change. Because if he fails to change,
Mama, please don't talk like that. One thing I know is destiny can only be delayed. It can't be changed. What Emmy will be is in the hand of God. And if it's God's will for him to change, I'm sure he will change for good.
Nyabulokwa will of God. Nyabulo God, let it be your will. Let him change. Maka, I don't know. I'm not going to game. I don't know. Please. I am worried.
Mama, please, you have to take it easy to avoid high blood pressure. Please.
No problem. I've heard you. Just help. I know God will answer our prayer.
Mama, I've also heard you. I will be on my way now.
Hey, come Cholo God. Let me find color for you.
Could you imagine? Emmy stopped me on the way, telling me cock and bull story.
What did he say?
Before, Uncle, he said I should talk to you. But trust me, baby, I dealt with him.
Talk to me.
Yes.
Sina.
Yes.
Hi. Sina italafu. Itala and shefi. What does he think I'll be doing with him? He does not even have shishi. 1 naira to give me.
I don't know.
Otena na kaukondi mpianya. Diko me mehendi mpianya. Owene samu unwaya. Well, I don't blame him. He should be there and be waiting. And you, come and talk to me.
Tina baby. Tina baby. But over my dead body. If Emmy is the only guy in this village, I better remain single.
Talk to me. Me, Tina. Emmy. I I know. She must be coming from Emmy's house.
Before uncle, are you learning?
She's... Well, that's her own cup of tea. Anyways, I don't know what she likes where that smoker is. Well, what matters to me is that Emmy likes me over her, and that is what concerns me. That is her own cup of tea.
Tina baby. Oh my changwa. Of course. Emmy, you know. Before you know what.
Hey, you what I miss you. Hey, you what I miss you. Hey, hey. Let me tell you the truth. Let me tell you the truth. I was actually thinking of coming to your house before you now came.
Now here I am. Tell me what actually is happening. What is
Hey, what is happening in my house is beyond me. It is getting me confused. Am I referring to
Okoro, you have not said it. Tell me what actually happened.
Okay. Is it not my so-called wife? The wife I married with my money. She said that from henceforth, that I will be cooking my own food in my house. But hold on. I don't enough. Even my son Afan had the audacity to put on my isiako, my red cap, and as if not doing enough, he went and brought my walking stick.
Huh?
And went out.
Hey!
Can you imagine that?
Chai!
Ah!
Aluchie Munti. Okoro? Hey. Gone are those days when women have respect for their husbands. But I have to assure you that it will not continue like this. Because something has to be done. And to be done quickly.
Something actually has to be done. Come on, give me Zoku. The way things are happening, I'm losing it in my house. It's like I'm no longer the man of the house. My house has suddenly turned into a desert. And you know, in the desert, what do there? Survival of the fittest.
Let me tell you. What we have to do is this. I urge you to go inside, get yourself dressed. Let us go together.
Brother, please. You thank God, brother, please. Open letter. I have to mention it. Yes. Thank God. Okay. For you. This for you. That's yes. Good. And the other one I have there. Yeah. 30,000 naira. And this one. This is the remaining. We have to keep it in case of any emergency.
Emeka, I just want to thank you for your efforts. You get? At least this little money can keep food on my table with some wheat. What are those? Don't
be in there, you and the wind. That's why you are listening to your step when dancing. But see, let me remind you. If I see your image, the other this, see, that I will give you the money.
Yeah, I can't
your face, you'll be like 250. Yeah, I know. Okay, I do like money. I don't think they owe you. But that should be next time, okay? After our next performance.
Please, try to give him the money.
Yeah, I can't.
I beg.
Hey, this morning, yeah, you see, I do it.
Wait for you here. I'm waiting for you.
Must wait for him.
I'm waiting for him. Just come. Come and pass. He thinks he can play with me. Hey.
This guy thinks he can play with me.
Udo. Tina.
Emmy, good afternoon.
Emmy, good day.
What's the problem?
Emmy, I've been standing here waiting for you.
Eh?
I've been waiting for you.
Emmy, come on. I'm waiting for you.
Chinekebo, tell me, did anybody fight you? Just tell me, let me go and deal with that person.
Bia, come on, I so.
Emmy, no one fought how. It's just about the money. What Tarani had the money now? Ni ego.
Yes, the money you promised to give me. I told you about that money since 2 weeks ago. Up till now, I've not seen anything, Emmy. Oh, we are Mel. Again, please, oh, I need that money. I need it. I need to make my hair. So need them name and they no can add. Again, one. Ha.
See. Tina. Yes, I promise to give you money, but not today now.
Not today. What about the money they paid you today at the show?
Emmy Edo, give her the money now. Stop being stingy. After any ego, let her look neat for once.
Who told you I went for a show? Or they gave me money? Yeah. Besides, I'm not with any money here.
Hey! Emmy! So you've started lying? Leave me, so this big pocket. Are you trying to tell me that not? Leave me alone. Which can play? I'm not playing with you. I'm not playing with you. Just give me the money because.
Tina, good your temper.
Because if I give you money, you go more out in a day.
Is that how your temper?
Yeah, something because.
That's good down. Hey. Yes. No problem, Dad. You know I'm meant to take care of you. You know that. Hey, look at you. Yes, it one day I take it.
Hey, Emmy,
you see. Lie.
Hey. Emmy, wait now, wait. Wait, this is more money that I didn't like. You are taking too much now. Don't worry. Hey. Let me just manage this.
You are waiting for me. Let's go straight to my house.
No, don't worry. We are going this way. I'll come to your house. Don't worry. Easy. See how you are disgracing me on the road. Don't worry. I'll come to your house. Yeah, I'll come to your house. Hey, Dina, let's start going.
Emmy, I'll come to your house next time.
Bye-bye.
Titi.
Honestly.
Titi. What I'm going to dance on I didn't know. Titi, don't worry. You will give me this.
Odogu, I cannot want Odogu cave. No matter how the devil wants it, you remain Odogu, my only son. Nam, I want you to leave this village to the city, or maybe my maternal home. You will go there and start looking for what you will do. At least I know if you start doing something good, you will become a responsible man. Put a man like that for your better future. Oh?
Mama. Hey. So, Mama, I'm not useless, ba?
Flamian.
Mama, let me tell you, I'm not going anywhere. That thing that is in the city, Mama, is right here in my father's house. So I'm not going anywhere. I will sit here and become that which God wants me to be. Akalakana men feature. If you could the road the girl, so happens here.
And make a melly game. I will wait for Charlie. Hey!
So Shuku Mahiyoye Gabo, God has already known what I will become.
Emeka,
so, Mama,
whether you like it or not, you must leave this village and stop this smoking and singing around the whole village. Okay,
You see, in this village, amongst all the female friends I have in this village, you are the best. You are the only one who truly believes in me. You believe in my career, in all I do. So, please, don't be angry if I say this. Well, I love you, and I truly want you to be my love. Please.
Love? Are you sure you know what you're talking about?
Please, don't say no. Please.
Okay. Let me know I truly care for you. So, I'll be your love.
Wow. Thank you so much. Thank you. What is it? Please, manage this.
Emmy, no, I don't want your money, please. Keep it there. You can use it to start a small scale business. I don't need it, you really need it.
Hey, you see, that is the main reason I like you so much. You see, please, but all the same, keep this, at least it will solve some certain problems. Take it, please, don't say no. Please, take it. Take it, just to make it happy, take it. Now. Hey, come. Now, yeah. Hey. For this, from this day, from today, just whatever that will make you happy. Tell me. I feel like that.
See, Obai, I thank you all. For today's show, you both really did wonder. And we made a lot. Me and this is become I will take 50%. Why you been now? 30% will go for you. And you Kingsley, 20 goes to you.
It's a lie. It is a lie. How can you give me only 20%? Why we all work for the money? It's not possible.
What's wrong with you, Kingsley? Do you want to fight him?
Huh?
Do you want to beat him? You should have waited for him to finish before you start acting like a mad dog.
See, let me even tell you something. What else do you want me to wait for? Why he has already calculated all the ratio in the mathematics and gave me only 20%, and you say I should not talk? I will talk. Oh. Yes.
Kingsley, you told him. In a bagote, in a book. Kingsley, let me tell you. You know, it's a taboo for a babu to draw tattoo inside the saloon.
Where can
one day sit and sell him.
He doesn't know that one. He doesn't know that one at all.
See, let me tell you, this is two of you. It's either you give me this money or I leave this group for good. I've said it.
You've grown wings now, Abi. See, for that reason. You see this morning now? Faden, Toro, Shishi, Anene.
he will not smell this one more of holding it.
It's a lie. You give me this money. After all, I'll be following you around this village. You that has been a smoker since.
Shut up!
Following you around.
Say shut up!
You must give me my money.
How can you give me all this? Say shut up! Put your mouth! Why are you insulting me like that?
You see, not even put your mouth. How can you work this? After all, now, three of us work this in together. See my face. See my face. Wait. And you are listening to me.
So you have the guts. Yes. You have the effrontery.
Yes.
To pitch me to Mumbona whatever.
Yes.
Into Mumbona wonder. Oh, don't worry. You have the effrontery. You have the effrontery. You have the effrontery. See the effrontery. You have the guts.
You must give me the money. You must give me the money. You must give me the money. You say don't give me the money. Somebody die here. Yes. Yes.
You will die. You will die.
Two of you. How can you give me 30%? Give
you will die. Leave it.
Obinna, where am I?
I'm telling you, you will die. How can I wear that?
If not for my crossing belt, I'm just expecting you.
You give me my money.
One has a
My money.
Obinna, somebody will die here.
Not me.
I said somebody will die here.
My money.
My
money.
My guys.
My money.
I'm not expecting you.
You must give my money. You must give my money.
Just thank your God. Thank your God.
Touch him again.
Thank your
You give my
God.
money.
Touch him again.
Thank your God. Thank your God. My brother respect me. Thank your God.
Biko, let me understand you well. That Emeka opened his mouth. I tell you, and told you he loves you. You were what again? What did you say? Tell me now, are you feeling shy?
I accepted. I told him yes.
You did? You did? Hey, this is good news. Proper good news. At least let me be happy for once. Hey! Chineke mu ifugo kwa ije. Ne. Nekwa na anya so chelupa a madman can even love. Onyala. Mweliki sapono se mmadụ na ya love onye. Hey! Nekwa na Emeka nwanna love.
Mama, is he not a human being?
Now you want to understand that happy event and I want to Vagamoto. Oh, hey! Hey, Biko, when are we planning for this marriage? Because no wasting of time. Come maybe kita. When are we planning it? I can't wait to see you getting married to Emeka now.
Mama, take it easy. Calm down. If it's God's will, I'm sure your eyes will see it.
Oh, but will of God. Will of as if it is will of God. I can't equal will of God. It is already will of God. Come and embrace me. Hey, you know you are a very good girl. And I'm sure when Emeka gets married to you, he will automatically turn to a responsible man. I can't wait to have you as my daughter-in-law in this house. Hey, Ugotalacha, Wanyoma. Hey, Nem, I'm so happy. God will bless you, for wiping away my tears. Oh, kind of land. Let's sit down, guys.
How is Choma? I haven't seen her for long.
Choma the ma. She went to fetch water on a father. Oh, be kind of land. Hey, be kind of land. Can you try that here?
Is this not Emeka? My late brother's son?
I'm going down.
Please, no.
Once.
Hey, this is how he goes about deceiving everybody, both women and children. Hey,
look at this damn singer.
Watch him. Watch him.
You better Sigwama for neighbors, come and ask this man what he's doing in my house. So,
I thought I paid my dues. Why is he still behaving like this now? Cooperate now. Let's do this thing.
It's what dues.
I'm going to move.
Hey, okay, so put this one. Tanjugodugi is here a social club where people pay dues. Don't you know where to go and pay your dues? Eh? Did I ask you? Did I beg you to buy me those clothes? You just did it out of charity.
Really?
Get it for?
Out of charity?
Yes.
Listen, if I wanted to do it as a result of charity, I would have gone to give it to people at the mother's baby's home. You know that? It's like this, okay? Quietly go in there, get those things, let me go.
I am not giving you anything.
It is not possible.
Money for now, you've given me those clothes and the money. You are not taking it back. Leave me alone.
If you don't want to go in and get it, I will go in and get it myself.
It's a lie.
Let me go.
No. Hey!
Hey! Nduka. Nduka. Ifeoma and her kids, they beat me up. They came together and beat me up. I would have been dead if not for God. Hey!
My bosom friend, Okoro, Kamboli Diabo. Asana, Ijo Nyezio Noa, Odiakwa, Madam Bono, Messia. Why must you go and fight them all alone?
My brother, do not misunderstand me. Don't misunderstand me. I actually did not go there to fight them. I went there to see whether I can have some kind of nice moment with Ifeoma. You know how much I have put on her.
Yes.
I think it got in so much money.
Exactly.
I went there so that I might pay back. You might not give and take.
Hey.
When I got there,
exactly.
One day this lady turned tiger.
Chai.
She fucked me up with her kids.
Chai.
Hey.
So you want to tell me that that stupid son of hers did all these things?
Hey. Have you joined them? Oh. Have you joined them? Tell me.
No. Oh, are you telling they have forgotten that you are a title holder, a chieftaincy man, an elder like you. They did all these things to you?
I don't know. I only went there to enjoy myself. I got there and the Ifeoma and her kids turned the tigers. Let me tell you, I can bet you, even my late elder brother will be upset with me in his grave.
Okay, now calm down. So now what do you intend to do? Because these people, they deserve a very good handling. And I want to assure you that they must not go unpunished. But I urge you to call me anytime you need my assistance. I will be there for you.
I believe that. Let me tell you, I am not called sleeping cobra for nothing.
At all.
You see, Ifeoma and her kids, I will sting them. Mabanda Kabe. I will sting them. Ifeoma and her kids, they must bring back every dime that I spent on that woman.
She thinks she can dupe you and goes on.
It's not possible.
I assure you, just call me any time you need me. I will be there for you.
I trust you.
What I'm praying for.
A friend in need is a friend in need. Come on.
Oh, Dalu. Look at her. Just look at her. If I were her, I'll kill myself. Shame. Very big shame, my dear. Very big shame. There is nothing I will not see in this village. I'm telling you. And as from today, I will stop talking to her so that they will not associate me to anything that concerns her. Nemo, let's go. The clouds are changing.
It's true, my dear. Let's be going.
You decided to take Emmy away from us. We are all friends. It's not fair. Think of it. As a matter of fact, he no longer gives us money anymore. Uju now is not good. It's unfair. Yes, so it's true that none of us loves him, but the little money he gives us used to help us. At least I know doesn't need to know it na akwan. Okay, you know what one you bring aka na le meka hwea. Ocho odo akwan ma che ye che. Che ye che.
I've heard you girls. When next I see him, I'll tell him all you said.
No, now, Uju. I cannot manage here, can't katana. Pico. Hey, we didn't mean it that way.
No. If you're going to private, I do you in public. Why do you want to tell Emeka? Please, oh, hey.
No, can be catch up on my aqua, Mrs. Macadamompa. Because, yeah, I cannot get Kataka any name. Show you boy, you will go so go Emeka. Ah, can I buy an Kataka any name and Buko? Please.
Okay. You know what? I'm on my way going to Emeka's house. Why don't you both come with me and tell him all these things yourself?
Emeka, wait.
Uju, wait.
Uju now.
Uju,
wait.
It's your mouth.
Afam, your other friend. So Afam has the guts to come here. Yeah? One another to cha. But I'll show him Pepe. Me go see an more kind of open maybe Emmy Edo you. Odo me.
That's why your face is like this. You did not even welcome me.
You didn't mean that beg. You won't understand. Would you imagine? Afam had the guts to come here to fight my mother. He even stole all our properties.
Are you serious?
But nonetheless, whosoever that knows that guy, that boy called Afam, should go and inform him of his earlier grave. Because I personally dealt with him.
Please, oh, please. You know it's against the Christian faith to kill. Please, whatever the problem is, both of you should settle it amicably.
To hell with the Christian faith. Listen.
Remember, he's your cousin.
Okay. Listen, that one a cock and bull story. I don't care. When him I must deal with him. Eh?
Biko, I am begging you. Whatever it is, people should go and settle it. I beg you. Remember, the villagers are watching you. Nobody's in support of your career or your music, whatever you're doing. Please try and settle with him because they will now have justification over what you've been doing. Hold it. You're still smoking. I've told you to stop this and it's not good for you.
Ujimangata, you won't understand. It's a long story. It's a long story.
I'm going to give him everybody. Please, where is Mama and Choma?
Mama and Choma, inside. Hi. After them to guys out, even the guy back and all. And then I could get me the number.
Hey, oh, Mbabutu kan
e mo ko yambu
butu am ka bi do ni si
butu ogina
amro ma ro
mma pia gina
amro la ma ro
mma su gina
wa ri fi
mma pia
mma chere butu am
e bo ala mpia gina
butu am
ke fa la ko di ya ke ya la ko di ba se
Formatic nwa
Hi, onye na-eticha for
nwa juru eju nwa gbakọla ọnụ how you dey be na
Afam, you dey fool my hand this time. You dey dull. All the businesses I've given you, you've not even executed any of them.
Formatic, relax, Yano. All the information you are giving me, they are all accurate.
Afam, you have to hurry up. You know why? I got more information for you. In no distant time, Nduka's son is sending him huge sum of money.
Nduka's son? That one in Onitsha? Yes. I heard that boy is doing well in business. But that one is small business. I can handle it myself.
I trust you. I trust you, Afam, but Afam, you have to be very careful. Any mistake, sorry is your name.
Formatic, relax. Once the deal is done, I shift your own court. You want to Nigerian shop again? Nigerian shop go yeah fair.
Afam, only enje kuagage.
No bakala. What today do you?
Kai bazeni me can you give some formatic solution?
Yeah, I'm not going to want you. Don't want to turn shake here, bro. Shake here off my. Let's go inside. Can you take a on? Can you go like that?
My family have connived and turned me into this. Most times, you want to come out. Is either I look for one story and tell them, or I will sneak out. Is it right? Is it a good thing?
No wonder I've not seen you for some time now. Hey! It is a pity. But how can they seize Ide Juna? Aro? Okoro? Ifoma has done her worst.
She has. She really has. Did I force her? I did not. She would have said no. And then I would have looked elsewhere. Now she has finished my money. On top of that, look at what she has done to my family. My brother, let me tell you the truth. I must plant a seed of discord in her family. Whether she likes it or not. I must do it.
Okoro, you need to calm down. I know that woman is evil. But no matter what, she is still they are still members of the family.
Yeah.
Yes.
They are, man. I can't go against you. Get money. Why can't I run this? That's how you bolom. I'm tired of it. Maso kwasi. Manya, bago mbe uji. Let me just tie this back up. My brother's property is my property. What long go? Up my inheritance. What that money ana azia. If all my land apolo mu yastafa nazo. Ya ka izo onu. Ama na nwanya na esokwu azu ana, nwanya nwana. Ongo ke nwana. Ala tell, I'm to poor. Ay. Okay. Oye. Afonpo. Afana no di nizu. Let me hear what you are saying. Let me hear what you are saying.
What is your uncle saying there? In fact, go and tell them that I, Ini Edo, I single-handedly remove those rubbish with.
Emeka, that's not the way to talk to your elders.
Tell him. Look at it. I told you.
Hey!
Here for what I've been saying.
Abomination.
Hello.
But Mazen Doka, let me ask you a question.
No, ask me.
What if your wife, after suffering throughout this planting season, when it is time for her to reap what she sowed, another man will come from somewhere and stop her? What will you do?
Are you asking me? As a man, I don't can join you.
Come on, Ajo. Come on, Ajo. Sione low. Please, bring out the list. Bring out the list. Read it out to them. The list of what it will take. Equal Onyala committee. You committed a previous sacrilege.
Wait. The list is here. The requirements, number 1. 1 big he-goat.
Yes.
Spotless one for that matter.
Now we're on to pour.
And the 3 fowls.
Okoko, bualo nisi.
3. Uzu.
Good.
Uzu and the 10 cartons of beer chilled water.
Come on, well interest. In a bute the beer, make sure it's your hero, yeah. Hero machine.
Obrokwas a hero. Okudako can now start and I'm
Udo. You game your door, bro. Please, have you heard what he listed out?
You okay now?
Yeah,
have you finished your work?
That is the requirement.
You know what? It's a taboo for a babu to draw tattoo inside the saloon.
Meaning what?
See what else you go there? Not the same. Chi?
That is inside of that. Let me get it so I can get it there. Don't worry, just wait to.
Now, down with it.
Oh, everybody got to see you now. Hey, but I'm
But honestly, I didn't know that I could still run that way.
Even me. I don't know what actually happened. I could not run. My legs were heavy. As if they tie 9 inches block on both legs. Anyway, Okoro, please. As you can see, we are both tired. I will take my leave now. Because I want to go to Onitsha and see my son. So as to collect some money for my periodic checkup and other thing.
I see your son is doing very well. He's doing very well.
He's really doing very well.
I envy you.
Oh, by His grace, by the grace of God.
I envy you.
Soonest he will start building his own house.
See, when you meet him, please tell him to give you some hot drinks for me.
What are we friends for?
Hey, if mama do quality ma. Hey.
One thing you need to.
No joking.
Hey, tell me now. I'm telling you. So, I promise I will always contact you, okay?
I understand you. But please, whatever you're doing over there, I want you to take it very serious, please. Whatever you're doing.
No problem. I promise.
What about Mama? Is she at home?
Hey, this friend asking after Mama. Yes, in fact, just me.
No, when we get there,
Go!
Now the door. You see this side, make you avoid that. You know why they talk? You know, say they fear dog. In a tonke tojo, this place there's a dog. Come.
No, for take that one as one matter. As for the dog, you get our below Kobal and Kabu one.
I trust you, I trust you.
The Muga to shh. Hey, stop there! Don't make a move! Don't look back!
Take it down,
Diplomatic. Now information that on our wall one.
I know the forehand.
I trust you. I trust you. Check it out now. Check it out. There you go. Now on the colleague. Diplomatic. Ask me put him back.
Come here. Didn't you see me? Why didn't you greet me? Magala.
Papa, please. Eh? Don't disturb me now. Must I greet you? Besides, the rule says whoever that sits first should greet.
Oh, so if I greet you now, you will respond, eh? You get what? Banka next good in kite. Gini kinka. Kedu kwa udin bedu kwa toru banka. Eh? Nanya. Quietly go inside here and change it to something better. Biko.
How is it your business now? Please allow me to sample my article.
Oh, allow me to sample my articles. Gabu your article. Since you sample article, I want to go and drug him about working a lele. I want to go and drug ya. But you change your voice. Yeah, man. So bad, I think okay, I'm finished. Again, for what is it?
Okay, they finished me.
What happened, Kefo?
They robbed me, they collected everything my son gave to me.
Jesus.
The worst part of it is that the voice I was hearing was the voice of your son. I'm from Efune.
Hello, Kabia. What about the hot drinks?
When I say everything, the money, the drink, all inclusive.
Now, let me tell you something. Now, we know that in this our community we have one thief, and that is who? Ini Edo. Open it, Joe. Can we take that your money? Let's go to his house now.
Are you sure of what you're saying?
No, but are you sure? Why am I not sure?
Remember, you are the only person I told about my journey to Onitsha.
Yeah, look. Are you putting it to me that I robbed you?
No.
Okay, one man, no. In a tomorrow. The ability whatever will just wait and let me go and change the something. I didn't care. Even like a word.
Are you sure that stupid boy will not do what he did the other time?
Now go and ask him, are you sure? I can change it.
Can change it.
But I can when you refuse it, I can change it. Who is he? He's nobody. Start coming. He's nobody. He's nobody. Hey, we were on our way to your house. Where is your brother?
My brother.
Emeka.
Emeka kwa.
Emeka went and robbed this man. Yes. Of his money.
Because he's not our Emeka. Who Emeka? Because Emeka can smoke. Emeka can do other things, but not stealing. Abu Emeka.
Well, let me ask you. You said Emeka can smoke, but he cannot steal. Yes, then I both once. Emeka's glory. Yes. Beyond that, if you smoke, you won't even know what you are doing. Or you won't have control here. So, man, although they keep there, the major reason we were coming to your house was just to inform you, Emeka and your mother, that the Council of Elders, more, you want to see Emeka over the sacrilege you committed. Can even let the gods in you whoop for possession or move the benya? I'll come. You truth is that all the cameras use. Let's go.
Bakuya. Tell him.
Bakuya.
Okay, this is what I've been telling you. If you go near it, if you get
Emeka's no up. I thought Ifeoma and her kids were others. Where did Emeka go to? Can you say that's a code word actually? You know someone I see that day.
Okoro, don't mind that idiot. If he likes, let him run from now till the end of time. He must surely pay me back my money.
He must. I'm just counting time for them. By the time they're boxed to a corner, then the woman will now come and kneel down, begging like a fool.
By then, you will give her condition how to handle that.
I will tell her that now if you want to, I'm not sure I'm back up. I'll go back. I'll go back. Invite your calendar. You need to take one hand on me. Oh no.
I still need money for now. Is that money? When have you become? So this is how Emmy squanders his orgasm money. Jesus Christ. I mean, if you wonder. Don't worry. Imagine Emmy. Don't worry. I will talk to the man. I will talk to his organ. Speaking of these things, can you imagine? See the girl. See this girl.
Are you trying to tell me that Emeka is not in this village? Eh?
Were you not the one that took Emeka to the city? Emeka is with you now. Why all this question?
Emeka was with me.
Was the one?
Do you know that Emeka came to my house? Carrying prostitutes up and down, smoking, drinking, everywhere.
Did you chase him away?
I didn't chase him away.
Then where is he now? Where is he? Why are you asking me if he's in this village or not? I don't understand. I don't know
about that.
You don't know. I gave you my son. Bring my son back to me. Bring my son back to me or whatever, whichever. Hey, I will not joke with my only son, no.
What is it?
I've been calling you since from that road.
So, okay, what is it?
Choma, you will not change. And please, I want to ask about Emmy. Have you heard anything about him? Is he fine? Is he well where he is?
Oh, Emmy is fine. Only for
please, I want to ask if you have any number I can use to contact him, please. Biko.
Hey, Chioma, it will not work. It will not work. Are you not tired of deceiving my brother? Get it for. When will all these things stop? Chioma, leave my brother alone now. Give it an immediate back.
God, why me? Why must it be me always? Can you feel me? What's in no football what day for Noko? Emeka, where are you? Emeka, come back to your mother. I know they said you are useless and visionless, but I want you to come back to me that way. Because
Mama, because stop crying, Mama. Something in me tells me that wherever Emeka is, he's fine and he will come back to us.
He is fine wherever he is. Then let him come back. If he is fine, let him come back now. He's no longer there. He's not here. Where is he? Is he not fine? He is not fine. Mama, I'm having that feeling that he is not fine.
Mama, please, sorry, Mama, please stop. What Emeka needs from us now is not tears. He needs our prayers wherever he is.
No matter how I try to hold myself, this is painful now. How can I lose my only son? My only son, I've been suffering for so many years ago to see him becoming what I want him to be. He said, "Take it easy." Hi. Oh, I didn't do.
Mama, so you have succeeded. You've succeeded in giving my brother a walk, yeah? Eh? Okay, I'll put this on you. Both of you have succeeded in giving my brother away. You can't just try, yeah? You can't just try. I see again, moon.
Hey.
Oh, no. If you don't eat, mind back and your boy homie J. What a man on the beat. Marama, hero, lega. Ompa, my marama. Ompa, my marama. Ompa, my marama. Ompa, my marama. Manya Jemifa, Mama Nangoya. Manya J George, Papa Nangoya. Manya Jatifa, Brother Nangoya. DJ, take one bottle for my head, yo. Baby, take one bottle for my head, yo. Everybody take one bottle for my head, yo. I am gonna take one bottle. See the end of show. Mama, DJ, take one bottle for my head, yo. Baby, take one bottle for my head, yo. Everybody take one bottle for my head, yo.
Your future is very bright. Look at the way you came into the cell. You put life into the cell. We even forgot that we were in the cell. By your rapping, singing, and dancing, that way of your dance, all this kind of thing, it made us very happy. But let me ask you, what really brought you to the cell? What did you do? What did you commit?
Yes, I did not know. It was a mistaken identity.
Oh my God! Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Anyway, thank God we're out of the cell. Okay, I'm going to help you. I will introduce you to my son, Ricky, the famous musician in this country. Let me see how he can help you, push you forward. No, you don't need to do that. Get up. You won't believe this. Funny enough, we were cellmates. I noticed he has a very great talent. You see the way he was dancing, singing, and rapping in the cell. So I decided to bring him home so you can help him.
Oh, you're welcome, young man. All right.
Thank you.
You see, Dad, you know, I can't do this, you know. I got my dancers ready to go to South Africa. I can't employ more dancers to join me. I mean, it's late for that.
Oh, no, Rick, you're my son, okay? I just want you to do this one favor for me. Just see how you can fix him. I believe he will not disappoint you.
That's a lot. That's a lot, but you're my dad, you know.
That's my son. I can do this. So, young man.
Chama, come back here. Come back here. Ma, leave me alone. Leave you alone for what? Where are you going to? Choma, this is so strange of you. Why are you acting like this?
It's so strange of me. As in, you don't know why I'm acting this way.
I don't know, Amaram.
Since you've refused to show me who my real father is, henceforth, you cease to be my mother.
Chineke nekwani yenan. Choma, you who honor? Why are you talking to me, your mother, in this manner? What do you want me to tell you again? Will I kill myself for you to believe me? Choma, let me warn you for the last time. Never you open your mouth again and say such a word to me. Your mates are out there searching for husbands. Day and night. Who is my father? Who is my father? Jenny, if you want to follow your father, follow him there. You know where he is. Choma, come back here. Choma, you don't want to come back? Okay. Jackie, here. Hey.
Uncle, I can't believe this.
You are so excited. What's the matter?
Uncle, I just gotta go from Broricky right now. He said that Emmy has won the competition.
Are you sure?
I'm telling you, Uncle.
No, Sharon. I hope you're not joking.
Uncle, I can't lie to you now. Uncle, I'm telling you the fact. Emmy has won the competition.
This calls for celebration.
Of course, Uncle.
Oh my God.
Let's
go inside. Let's go inside. This is total transformation.
Thank you, sir.
I love that. Congratulations. That's good.
Yeah, listen, I'm tired. Okay, I want to freshen up. Then, you know, catch up with you later. Okay?
You are right, my son. Just go and freshen up, okay?
Take care.
It's alright, okay? Emeka, I am very, very happy. No, sit down. I am very, very happy for you. Honestly, you made us proud. We never believed you could make it. But you made it. To God be all the glory. Once again, congratulations, my son.
And I swear, I really thank you, sir. I appreciate it. Because God used you to lift me up.
Oh, thank God you gave him the glory. He used me. It's not by my power, it's not by my might, but it's by his grace. Welcome, my dear.
Emmy, God is your strength. Look at how he moved you from grass to grace. Within a twinkle of an eye, you became a millionaire. You're now swimming in the ocean of money.
Oh my God, I like the way you put it. From grass to grace. And you are now swimming in the ocean of what? Money! That's good, I'm very happy. Emeka, now, what are your plans?
First of all, I would like to establish a very big investment.
Okay.
At least I will now forge ahead. But meanwhile, I will go to my village to see my people. You know, it's been a long time.
Yes, you have a point there. That's a good idea. I like that. I like that.
Sharon, please forgive me because I didn't get anything for you. But I will take you out for shopping, okay?
I sure.
Let me rush the goods. Have some babies.
Okay, I'll follow you. I'll follow you.
Emmy Edo, I know you will make it. I have the conviction that you will make it. Oh my God.
Well, my brother, forgive me. You see all those things I said? They were not true. I just fabricated them so that I will achieve something, but look at the way things are happening to me. Oh, please.
Oh, you're a wicked man. You were a wicked man. So now you want to ask forgiveness? After bringing enmity between me and my mother, God will judge you.
All those things are the handwork of Satan. Do you know that Afam, my son, is dead?
What? Afam? Mama? You never told me of this.
Hi. In fact, it's better you start running back to wherever you came from. Before I close and open my eyes, you must have been on your way. Siebapo, we don't want you here.
I know I have done terrible things, unforgivable things.
If there is no sin, there will be no forgiveness. Mama, let's forgive him. He's still our blood. Uncle?
Emmy Edo.
Never you judge a book by its cover. Anyway, I'm forgiving you.
You forgiving me?
Yes.
Really?
Let's forgive you. Stand up.
Are you sure?